Hey guys, and today I'm going to be running a new set of passenger cars I got. Well, not new set of passenger cars, but I did get a new caboose and I did custom make this one cattle car from an old Tyco one. Let me just start up the train to a nice speed here. Ooh! Just had a bit of an error here with with the switches not being thrown correctly. My bad. That could have been devastating. But this thing mimics real life. And of course this comes uncoupled. Here we go. So I'm just going to get this thing running. Hopefully no more interruptions, but, Here we go. So, here's my Mikado, my cattle car, my 3 passenger cars, and my 1 caboose. Now, this caboose was mostly bought so I could replace all the caboose that I did have. Only problem is, and I'll grab it real quick, this one right here used to derail all the time because of these wheels here. Only problem is they're all metal and I cannot alter them at all. So here's another view of this coming around the bend. Thought you guys might enjoy this, but nice small train for today. Might expand it in the future, but you know what is constantly a problem? Cows on the line. Several cows on the line. This is not going to go well, is it? Here, just say they're in the conga line. And that is why they're called cow catchers. Oh, jeez, that took them right off the tracks. But, what can I say? Let me just pick up these poor cows before they get hit again. So, yeah, I thought you guys might enjoy this video. Tell me what you think about this new lineup. And it's coming around one more time, and I'm going to stop it at the caboose. Just so you can get a good look at it. So, there you go. Hope you like my customizing here. As you can see, the only things I've added was weathering and, let me pull this off from the train, I added handrails that were on the real car in most of the photos I've seen. Might do weathering on all my cars, seeing how this one and the cattle car came out. But yeah, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about these. And I'll see you right around the bend.